What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I'm going to be giving you guys a really exciting unboxing video. This is something that when it was announced I was really excited to check it out. I actually ended up missing the pre-order for it, but then randomly today when I was out shopping, since today is launch day, I just walked into a Fred Meyer and they actually had one left on the shelf. So pretty excited, kind of a surprise to me and an impulse purchase for sure. But yeah, let's just jump into it. So right off the bat, the box is significantly smaller compared to the original Switch box. It's definitely like a more compact design. But yeah, it opens up down here from the bottom and then it pops up like so. So right here we have the actual Switch itself in this kind of like plastic wrapping. And right off the bat, that screen is way bigger. And then we have the USB-C port down on the bottom. I've been seeing people in their unboxing videos and reviews talk about how the build quality, it feels more solid, and I can tell you just right off the bat with my first impression, the weight of it, it definitely feels more substantial. Oh yeah, and the kickstand too, for sure. It feels like it's like this really thin kind of metal material as opposed to the flimsy plastic one. Ooh, that's really satisfying. Yeah, it like almost kind of latches in, and then there's room for a micro SD card right down here. So I'll actually go and just kind of set that up like so. And then right here, we have the same Joy-Cons that we've had for years, but this one is kind of in this cool like white color, which is definitely the one that I wanted, so I was happy they had one left with the white colored option. And then when you pop the tray up, looks like there's kind of some informational pamphlet down there. And then here is the new dock, so it's kind of wrapped in this bubble wrap. And I've heard there's some new stuff with this dock, along with just kind of aesthetically. So now it's kind of like got this rounded edge to it. This one's in the matching white color. It's got the two USBs on the side. Now it has this kind of like curved opening. And when you pop this thing, it actually pops all the way off now. You have your power plug, the HDMI, and then now you have a LAN port built in right into the actual dock itself if you want to do some sort of like internet gaming and you don't want to have to buy one of the adapters, which is kind of a neat addition. So yeah, there's the actual dock. And then as far as cables, we have HDMI, the actual power and the power brick, the two little wrist straps for the Joy-Cons that I've never used once and never seen anyone ever use them before, and then the standard controller that you're able to actually take the Joy-Cons that come with it and click them down in like so and use it as a controller when it's in docked mode. So I definitely am going to be setting this bad boy up and playing with it quite a bit. I'm a huge fan of OLEDs just in general. Like I have an OLED TV and just everything I can get with an OLED, I try to get it with an OLED. So this was an exciting update, even though there's not much hardware as far as like spec bumps or anything like that. But I will be doing a review and a comparison video to my older Switch. Just as far as like trying to show you guys kind of the general differences that I've noticed. But yeah, there it is with the controllers on. Damn, that looks slick, especially with the way bigger screen. That's pretty nuts. Alright guys, if you have any ideas for videos or type of content you're looking to see with the actual Switch itself, definitely shoot me a comment down below. But yeah, hopefully I'll have a review for you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.